last Facebook live of this crazy journey that we decided. Just put in side and I'll also join them. And so yeah, so I'll also join them. If you see, like, Datta sir and Muldi sir joined us for this crazy journey. Hey, gate is okay. I'll see you there. You see, like, some runners are coming from behind, some are ahead. So I'll be joining these people, and I'll join some are on two-wheeler. We'll be running together, strong finish, and we'll be finishing. Datta sir is running and super tired, but we'll finish strong. Prashant, Roshan, Datta sir, Murli. Backside we have on the two-wheeler, and we have Lakshay, and we have Arjun in the four-wheeler following us, and we have Mayur and lot of people running towards the Mysore Palace. Where will you park? आगे जाके लेफ्ट में राइट में देखना पड़ेगा, पार्किंग तो है वहाँ पे. सुबह इज देयर. आगे जाके होगा ना, अंदर जाके क्या, अभी तो सीधा जाना है ना. सुबह इज देयर, मयूर इज देयर, लॉट ऑफ पीपल. वी आर सुपर टायर्ड बट वी आर जस्ट पार्किंग लाइक इट वुड बी फ्रंट ना. Straight, like palace is like, still you have to go straight.
This is not the main. This is the palace. You can just get inside.
Parking should be there, like left side.
This is not the main gate, I think. Main gate is
No. Main gate is actually ahead. This is just a circle you have to cross.
So we'll see the parking. हम लगा के आते हैं.
Just एक बार आओ ना, उधर तक आओ. So yes, we are figuring out the parking and all, but we'll go strong, we'll finish strong, and we are approaching, and come on. Running from Bangalore to Mysore. Like a big step. What do you have to say?
This is crazy.
Crazy.
We did it our first
With
time.
what, 1 week of planning?
And hopefully we have conveyed the messages what we had.
Messages what we believed in, and now who takes it, that is separate thing. If one person, it impacts one person, our job is done, and that's it. Running towards
Here's our final destination.
not final, nothing is final.
I mean, for the evening, and I feel it's been a tough day.
Car
But very
parking,
satisfying.
you're trying to figure out, it is there. Anyways, let's go. Come on. Going strong. Reminds me of the Ricky we did. We came by two-wheeler Activa, 300 kilometers as a Ricky. So
We can see the Mysore.
where is the Mysore Palace?
Wait, I don't know. I feel it's all royal here, and
Let's go back from here and not touch the Mysore Palace. But yes, this is don't do stupidity now. Don't get injured. Nobody has got injured till now in the journey. That is the Mysore Palace, and what we came for. Bangalore Vidhana Soda to Mysore Palace, sending a strong message of gender equality, and it feels good. Proud of all these people. See Muldi sir running in all different directions. Parking is there in this lane. Straight right, like right there. So they are just figuring out, like they have like more people joining in with the car and all. But yes, let's go in. More people are waiting for us inside. So we are going. This is Mysore Palace, and let's run now. What?
Okay.
Lazy people. Datta sir joined us. Very good to have you. Came all the way from Bangalore.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, what is very big inspiration. And Prashant, Hero, Roshan, Mayur, Subbu, Manish. Mulli sir is behind. We ran from Bangalore to Mysore.
You have to.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. 148 kilometers. Other people are in there. Can you share the live location of this thing?
They are in the another gate.
It's okay. They are in another gate. So we can go from inside, na? You have to go from outside full way. But we'll figure out this thing. We'll do another Facebook Live when everyone is together.